My name is Xiuping Shen. I'm the CEO of CloudMosa. CloudMosa is a cloud computing company. Our product is called Puffin web browser. When the highly mobile device came out, like iPhone and Android phones, we have a very capable device, and people expect the device to be able to browse internet very effectively. Turns out it didn't work as good as we expected. The main reason is that web browsing is a very resource-intensive application. The early devices of iPhone and Android devices, they just do not have the muscle to run a web browser effectively. Puffin is wicked fast. It is about 5 times faster than the built-in mobile browsers, like mobile Safari and Google's Chrome. Web page is rendered on the server side, so that the majority of the work is no longer done at the mobile device. We actually make the web browsing experience independent of the phone's capability. We are growing about 40% quarter to quarter, so that the growth rate is pretty high as our traffic increases, and we are so shocked by our bills. So we decide to do the hosting ourselves and get a factor of 10 in cost saving. The C5220 microserver architecture is a perfect fit. This particular server model allows us to do a headless installation. All we need to do is put in the server, connect the network, and everything would configure itself and start to serve live traffic about half an hour after we turn on the power. This gives us the tremendous leverage on how fast we can expand our data centers. We have very tight power constraint, and each microserver doesn't have too much power budget. When we choose Samsung memory and Samsung SSD, it really reduced the per microserver power consumption. And when we add it together, we will be able to fit one more server inside our existing power line. That would translate into about 20% over web hosting cost. And this is a pretty significant saving.
Viewing videos on my mobile device before Puffin was an excruciating experience because of the different variations I would get on carrier service, Wi-Fi connections. After downloading Puffin on the same smartphone, my user experience has dramatically changed. The speeds that I would get, video playback and quality, is just like if I was at home connected to my Wi-Fi or LAN.
We want to be the #1 web browser on mobile devices, and we are on track to achieve that in a couple years.